how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. So to get started, go ahead and open your Wrike account and then click on your account icon at the top left of your screen. Click on settings from here, and then on your account settings, make sure to enable financial fields and time tracking. So you'll find that under the account management section. So after that, click on job roles and then go ahead and create job roles and then set the bill rate and the cost rate of this job roles. So you can define default RD rates for each user or role, custom rates per project, mark tasks as billable or non-billable. So you can also use Wrike's time tracking tool to log hours, add time entries manually or use timers, and link time entries to tasks and projects. View time reports for billing and payroll, and then Wrike will automatically calculate your planned fees and costs, actual fees and costs, and profitability metrics. So that is how you can basically manage budgets and billings with Wrike. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.